everybody. It's Tom Anderson. You may know me from writing books, screenwriter, film producer, actor, current co-host on the popular new podcast, Real Talk with Tom and Sherry. But this is what I like to do in my spare time when I'm not creating my artwork or professional photography. I build miniature models, and this one I want to take you through my build of the late 1960s, early 70s Monogram Phantom Mustang. It was a 1/32nd scale North American P-51D Mustang, and this one I made in it's currently at the Palm Springs Air Museum here in Riverside County, California, Palm Springs Airport, flown by my late friend Lieutenant Colonel Bob Friend of Tuskegee Airmen fame. This is made after his Mustang Bunny from World War II. And I just want you to follow through this. Older kit didn't always fit the way I wanted it to. I made some additions to it. I upgraded the cockpit. I put in a different pilot. I got the custom decals for it. And I wanted to make it more like Bunny itself. So enjoy. And if you get a chance, check out my channel, like, share, and also go visit the Palm Springs Air Museum where you can see where the real Bunny lives. So until then, model on.